outside, you can see the rest of the giant hotel, a little courtyard area or something to look at. But we step back, and this is actually a pretty big window. Then we'll turn to our left, and we can see one of our beds. We have a nice little watercolor type thing on the back, a leather headboard. We also got some power here, some nice brass accents, a little bit of wood as well. And we're going to turn around, see that window again, that's where the air vent is. Then we look at this side, we have another pretty interesting feature. This might be felt. We have a smart TV, a little table that you can pull out, a couple of stylish chairs, some art, a brass light. We do have some drawers. Not sure if it's a mini. Yeah, we have a mini fridge right there. And the rest of these should just be some drawers. A good amount of space here. You can put some bags right there. We do have our coffee bar right here. Coffee and some tea. Ice bucket as well. There's the mirror. Then we come and we look at the bathroom. There's no door right here. It's all open. And we have our 2 vanities right here. 2 sinks. Lights all around the mirror. We have a hair dryer. These are going to be our products right here. Then we come in, and then this side has a door. We're going to have a tub, also a shower. This is the shower head for you. Here are the rest of our products. Got our towel rack right there. We're going to come over, and then we have a closet, a big closet actually. Ironing board. And we have a front door right here, and this is a double room, 1 day maximum room rate of $899. The suites can go up to $11,000. That's wild. It does say extra $25 for a person, 2 people. But yeah, this is the hotel. It's kind of confusing if you get off on the wrong elevator. Yeah, folks, come on in. This is the room. Maybe you'll see it on your next stay.